All hail the great Beowulf, come to save our pathetic Danish skins, eh? And we are so damned grateful, mighty Beowulf. But can I ask a question as a huge admirer of yours? There was another Beowulf I heard tell of, who challenged Breca the Mighty to a swimming race out on the open sea. Was that you?
I swam against Breca.
Oh! Because I thought it had to be a different Beowulf, someone else of the same name. Because you see, the Beowulf I heard of swam against Breca and lost. He risked his life and Breca's to serve his own vanity and pride. A boastful fool. And he lost. So, I thought it had to be someone else.
I swam against Breca.
But victory was his, not yours. A mighty warrior who cannot even win a swimming match. Speaking only for myself here, not only do I doubt that you will be able to stand for a moment against Grendel, I doubt that you will even have the belly to stay in the hall all night.
I find it difficult to argue with a drunk. But it's true. I did not win the race. We swam for 5 days, neck and neck. I was conserving my strength for the final stretch when this storm blew up. And with it came sea monsters. Again, the monsters attacked. Dark things from the sea's depths. I lashed at these foul beasts with my sword, spilling their guts into the sea. Then, one of them seized me by its jaws and dragged me to the bottom. Killed the monster with my own blade and plunged it into its heart.